In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a currency index in TradingView. We're going to set up the exact workspace you need by opening TradingView, adding a Forex symbol, searching for a currency pair like USD CAD, and then loading the full chart view. This creates a clean starting point for building and analyzing a currency index with clarity. Start by heading to tradingview.com in your browser. You can use any modern browser and it works on both desktop and mobile, though the desktop experience is usually smoother for analysis. If you have an account, sign in so your settings and layouts are saved automatically. If not, you can still follow along in the free version. Once you're on the home page, look for the chart area or select chart from the top navigation to open a blank workspace. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the watch list panel. This is where you can organize and access symbols you care about. Click the option to add a symbol. Depending on your layout, this might look like a plus icon, or you can click directly into the symbol search field at the top of the watch list. TradingView refers to every instrument, stocks, Forex pairs, crypto, and indices as a symbol, so adding a symbol is how you bring any market into your workspace. In the search bar, type USD CAD. This is the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and it's a great example pair because currency indexes are ultimately built on how one currency performs relative to others. In the search results, make sure you're selecting a Forex listing. You can also filter by the market type to avoid pulling in unrelated instruments. If multiple data feeds appear, choose one you're comfortable with, and that provides reliable pricing for your needs. Click the USD CAD symbol to load it, then open the full chart. If you see a compact preview, look for the full featured chart option to expand into the main analysis view. This is where you'll do your work. Set timeframes, apply indicators, and visually compare price action. Adjust the time frame to something meaningful for your analysis, daily for a broad view, 4-hour for swing analysis, or lower if you're focusing on intraday movement. You can also toggle between logarithmic and linear scales, zoom in on recent price action, and save your layout so it's ready next time. That's it. You've brought up a core Forex pair and opened it in the full featured chart, which is the foundation for building a currency index in TradingView. In upcoming sessions, you can layer comparisons and methodologies on top of this chart to construct and track your index with confidence.